Welcome to the Norco Handheld Shower installation video. Installing the Norco Handheld Shower is easy, and no drilling is required for the suction cup wall mount installation option. Begin by removing your existing shower head from the main water line by unscrewing counterclockwise. A wrench may be needed depending on how tightly the existing shower head had been previously fastened. Using the included white Teflon tape, wrap the threads of your main water line clockwise 2 to 3 times. Next, place the mesh filter washer inside the female end of the diverter valve. Now, thread the diverter valve clockwise onto the main water line with a firm seating. Upon tightening, if the diverter valve is not vertically oriented as shown, a second silicone washer can be placed against the mesh filter washer to allow for proper alignment. Adding Teflon tape to the 2 diverter valve outputs is optional, as the silicone washer should ensure no leaks. Now let's attach the shower hose to the lower diverter valve as shown. Place a silicone washer into one of the threaded end caps on either end of the hose, then thread the hose end clockwise onto the lower diverter valve connection with a firm seating. Place a silicone washer into the threaded end of the existing shower head. Thread the existing shower head clockwise onto the top diverter valve connection. Let's prepare the opposite end of the shower hose. Place the water flow regulator washer into the threaded end cap. Thread the hose end cap clockwise onto the handheld shower connection. Installing the wall mount. The wall mount uses a large suction cup that can attach to any flat surface. Simply turn the knob counterclockwise to loosen the suction cup. Place the wall mount in a desirable position where the wall surface is flat. Press on the trim surrounding the knob to create a firm seal between the suction cup and the wall. Using your other hand, turn the knob clockwise to create a firm suction to the wall. If there is no flat surface to properly mount the suction cup or for permanent mounting, a screw, small silicone washer, and a plastic anchor are included. A 1/4-inch hole will need to be drilled into the wall, and the plastic anchor pressed into the hole. Place the screw through the hole in the middle of the wall mount, and slide the small silicone washer over the screw threads as shown in the diagram. Position the wall mount with the screw directed into the plastic anchor, and tighten until the screw head is seated against the wall mount. The plastic anchor should not be used on tubs or showers that have thin wall inserts or no solid wall behind. Other hardware may be required for this type of installation. The multi-angle suction style mounting bracket allows the handheld shower to be easily accessible when in a sitting or standing position. Simply push or pull on the handheld shower head until you feel or hear a click. Control water flow using the water pause function switch. Move the switch to the left to decrease the water flow rate. Move the switch to the right to increase the water flow rate. The 2-way chrome diverter valve redirects water flow between the handheld shower or the existing shower head with a simple push of the black slide button. You are now ready to enjoy your new Norco Handheld Shower with diverter valve. To learn more about this product, please visit ncmedical.com or contact customer service at 1-800-821-9319.